With the IRS increasing visibility into crypto, what does being current really mean? And why does it matter so much from an enforcement standpoint? The IRS methodology for doing audits is changing or has changed, and they're going to be unleashing it into this next year. In the past, they would try to recalculate the gains. We beat them so many times on doing it incorrectly that they've now shifted to a different method. With the advent of the 1099 DA forms, they'll see all your sales, exchanges, and transfers, and then they will demand, if you haven't provided it, that you specify what the cost basis is of those transactions that they know about. And they're going to ask proof that that is the correct cost basis, which you just have to prove that to the auditor. If they find that your answers are unsatisfying, you could easily be referred to criminal investigation. IRS Criminal Investigation is a group that actually has guns and badges on their hips, and they look for people that are engaging in a criminal level of tax fraud or tax evasion. This would occur if you deny that you had any tax reporting or if you've apparently hid in prior years. With this group, they can go after criminal enforcement. What's different about criminal enforcement is they do not have to prove the exact amount of gain that you experienced on a transaction. They just have to prove that you failed to report income that was clearly yours from crypto trading. That income threshold is actually quite low that the courts accept, but they just have to prove that you didn't report any of it, at which point in time they hit you with fraud, they hit you with an indictment, you are threatened with jail and $250,000 fines. Everybody immediately caves into plea bargaining, where you plea bargain out of the criminal indictment, and then you still have to pay taxes on all the past income. So this is the IRS's approach. It's turning out to be significantly cheaper and much quicker for the IRS to get enforcement this way than to go the route of a full-scale recalculation of all your gains. There's going to be many more audits going forward in 2026 from the IRS. They're ramping up their machine, and they've made it much more efficient for them to come after you. So it behooves everyone to benefit yourself of a full crypto tax service that will help you get on solid ground with your crypto reporting and help protect you from the past. The best way to head off an audit is by having an amazing bulletproof crypto tax return. So go to our website at CryptoTaxAudit.com. You won't regret it.